would you tell me your name, please?
My name Ola. And you?
I can't hear you. Speak up, speak up.
No. Hala Alaid, Hala ID, Hala ID. Hala Ibrahim.
May I know where from?
I am from Syria. And you?
You're from Saudi Arabia, right?
Syria. And
Yeah.
you?
Saudi Arabia girls is very cute and beautiful. I think you know.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
No.
But why? I know your country, but you don't know my country.
No.
So, are you married or single?
No. Nothing. Nothing.
I don't believe. I think are you
I
married?
am. What?
So if you don't mind, may I know how old are you?
عمري
Yeah,
عمري
please tell me.
26.
26. Oh, very good.
And you?
And me, I'm 16 years old. 16, 16.
Yeah. Hi.
I
Nice
hope,
to meet you.
nice to meet you too. So can you please follow me? I will follow back you.
Yes.
Okay,
Tamam.
give me follow, give me follow. Okay, I'm following you already.
Okay.
Wait. Follow successful. So what type of sound coming here? So first of all,
No.
I want to say you are a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
But because your hijab is very beautiful, your everything is beautiful. Everything is good.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. I always
Thank
appreciate you. I think are you Muslim, right? I'm Muslim.
Yeah. Hello. Hi.
Okay, please,
Nice to meet you.
could you please tell me? Please tell me, Anibali. First of all, I say, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Don't be ashamed. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You tell me. Please tell me. So, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Can you say? Okay, please tell me. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. So, why do you come to Bigolai?
Now?
Why do you
What?
come to Bigolai?
20. I am no.
I come Bigolai because I am making a video on YouTube, as well as I am a student right now.
No student. I
I'm a student. You less English, right?
am. Nice to meet you. See you later.
Okay, nice to meet you. See you later. See you again time. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Good night.